Warehouse helpers are essential. They keep warehouses running smoothly, ensuring products move seamlessly through the supply chain. These individuals handle various tasks that are vital to warehouse operations. They work in different settings, including warehouses, distribution centers, and storage facilities, and collaborate with diverse teams such as warehouse managers, supervisors, and other helpers. Their role is crucial for customer satisfaction, ensuring timely delivery of goods. Warehouse helpers are in high demand, largely due to the growth of e-commerce. More online orders mean more warehouse activity, translating to more job opportunities. If you enjoy a fast-paced environment, this might be for you. Warehouse work is demanding. It requires physical stamina, attention to detail, and a commitment to safety. But it is also rewarding. You contribute directly to a company's success and gain valuable skills transferable to other industries. Warehouse helpers have a wide range of responsibilities, which vary depending on the size and type of warehouse. Loading and unloading trucks is a common task, involving the physical movement of boxes and other goods. Sorting and organizing inventory is another important duty. Helpers ensure that items are stored correctly, check for damage, and report discrepancies. They may use scanners or other technology to help track inventory levels. Warehouse helpers often assist with packing and shipping orders. They retrieve items from shelves, verify quantities, and package them securely. They may also label packages to ensure they reach the correct destination. Cleaning and maintaining the warehouse is part of the job, including sweeping floors, emptying trash bins, and keeping work areas tidy. A clean and organized warehouse is a safe and efficient warehouse. Warehouse efficiency is crucial for productivity, minimizing errors and delays, and improving customer satisfaction. Warehouse helpers play a key role in optimizing warehouse processes. One way to improve efficiency is to learn the layout of the warehouse. Knowing where items are stored saves time and reduces the risk of misplacing goods. Proper lifting techniques are essential to prevent injuries and ensure heavy items are moved safely. Use your legs, not your back, when lifting, and ask for help when needed. Time management is another critical skill. Prioritize tasks effectively and focus on completing one task before moving to the next. This minimizes distractions and maximizes productivity. Section 4. Safety first. Protecting yourself and others. Safety is paramount in a warehouse environment. Potential hazards include heavy machinery, falling objects, and slippery surfaces. Warehouse helpers must follow safety protocols diligently. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE at all times. This typically includes safety shoes, gloves, and a high-visibility vest. Eye protection may be required for certain tasks. Be aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye out for forklifts, moving equipment, and other potential dangers. Maintain a safe distance from operating machinery. Never attempt to operate equipment you are not trained to use. Report any unsafe conditions or hazards immediately to a supervisor. This includes spills, damaged equipment, or blocked aisles. A safe work environment is everyone's responsibility. Section 5. Essential skills. Thriving in a warehouse environment. Certain skills are essential for success as a warehouse helper. Teamwork is crucial. You'll be working closely with others to achieve common goals. Good communication and collaboration are key. Physical stamina is also important. You'll be on your feet for most of the day, lifting and moving objects. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle can help you stay in shape for the demands of the job. Attention to detail is essential for accurate inventory management, order fulfillment, and safety. Double-check your work. Pay close attention to labels, quantities, and addresses. Time management is crucial in a fast-paced warehouse environment. Prioritize tasks, stay organized, and use your time efficiently to meet deadlines and fulfill orders promptly. Section 6. Leveling up. Advancing your warehouse career. With hard work and dedication, warehouse helpers can advance their careers. Gain experience in different areas of the warehouse. This might include shipping, receiving, or inventory control. Seek out opportunities to learn new skills. This might involve operating a forklift, using warehouse management software, or leading a team. Some companies offer on-the-job training programs. Obtain relevant certifications. These can demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. Certifications in forklift operation, warehouse safety, and inventory management are valuable assets. Networking is essential for career advancement. Build relationships with colleagues, supervisors, and industry professionals. Attend industry events and join professional organizations.